Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable dark mode on the OKX Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX Wallet app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the exchange or the wallet page. Now, if you wish to enable or disable dark mode, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, which will take you into the settings page. From here, tap on the gear icon to enter the preferences menu. Now within this page, you will find the appearance option. Go ahead and tap on this, and this might be set to system by default, which means that if your system is set on light mode, then the application will appear in light mode as well. And if your system is set in dark mode, then so will the application be as well. If you wish to override these settings, then you can choose from the light and the dark option. After making your preferred selection, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved right away. And you can come back to this menu at any point of time in order to choose your desired theme. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable dark mode on the OKX Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.